Every great woodworking project starts with one thing: raw wood. But turning raw wood into something precise, clean, and ready to use, that takes more than just wood. It takes the right tools. Introducing Browynn's new woodworking line, built to help you shape, cut, trim, and refine wood with more control. From the first cut to the final detail, Browynn is now ready for your woodworking journey. First, meet the Browynn Wood Router WR8, powered by a 1,200-watt motor with variable speed from 16,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, designed for controlled routing, shaping, grooving, and detail work. With support for 6.35 and 8mm collars, you get the flexibility to handle different routing applications. And with adjustable cutting depth and guide support, you have more control over every cut. Need more power? Meet the Browynn Wood Router WR12. With an 1,800-watt motor and variable speed from 8,000 to 23,000 revolutions per minute, it's built for a wider range of woodworking applications. And with collate support up to 12.7 millimeters, you get more flexibility for your routing needs. More power, more capacity, more possibilities. Woodworking isn't only about making the cut, it's about the finish. Meet the Browynn Electric Trimmer ET-6.35. Compact, practical, and powered by a 550-watt motor with a high-speed 31,000 revolutions per minute. Designed for trimming, refining edges, and finishing details. With adjustable cutting depth and guide support, small details become a whole lot easier to handle. From shaping the wood to refining every edge, Browynn is building more than just a product lineup. We're building a woodworking ecosystem, one that gives you the right tool for every step of the job. Whether you're shaping, routing, or perfecting the final detail, start with the right tool. Build with Browynn.